no met. Okay, you cannot still see it. Oh my goodness. So I will give you small number of them. Okay, one. If it is one, if it is one, anything in organic chemistry that is one, that has one C, is always what? Met.
Eh,
Eh?
eh,
If it is two,
yes, sir.
it is what? Het.
Yes,
Huh? If it is three,
yes,
this is both. This is the idea. Do you get? So if
yes,
something
sir.
is an alkane, if it is in the alkane group, you will have methane. So that means it will be AN that will be there. If it is in the alcohol group, it will be methanol. That means OL. If it is in the carboxylic group, it will be methanoic. Do you get? Can you see what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's more of the idea. So the number of C that you have in anything, these services of maybe if it is arcane, you will see it. If it is methanol, if it is alcohol, and all of those things. Probably in our next class, I'm going to probably walk you through the homologous series. Okay, but the idea of why are we here is that when you look at this is the alkyl group, and that is what you see in your. That's what you see in your what is it called now? Let's go back to the screen, the slide. Hide this. Oh. I want to go back to my notes. Okay. Can you see my notes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when I'm saying that R can be a Q group, that's what I mean. Those things I've shown you to be, if it is CH3, it is going to be what?
Methane. Yes, methane.
Methyl. Methyl. It's called methyl. Okay? Methyl. YL.
Methane.
Methyl. YL. It is if it is an alkane that is going to be methane. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
But I'm dealing with an alkyl. Alkyl. Probably I will do a class for you on that. Okay. But so that's more of the idea. Okay. So it can be methyl, it can be ethyl, it can be all of those things, right? Function of how many what? How many C you have there. It's a function of how many C you have in that structure. Okay. So, but this is a more dicey one. I'm back to ester. Don't forget, ester is a result of what? Esterification, which is the reaction between an alcohol and a carboxylic acid.
Carbon.
Yeah. A carboxylic acid has the general formula RCOOH, and alcohol has the general formula ROH. RCOOH, carboxylic acid, if you are noting down, you should note it down, plus ROH, which is alcohol. When the two of them react together, the R that you are having in alcohol will be lost. The R in alcohol will move. Probably that is something I should actually show you on the slide, on my screen. That would be better. So let me quickly go back to the notes. Are you there? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
You can see my board. Okay. So I'm saying you have R. Okay. You can see this. I'm just getting used to this writing on my this thing. So you will pardon me. So I have RCOOH. Then I have ROH. The first one is what?
Sorry, the first one is carboxylic acid.
Is carboxylic acid. That's correct. This one is what? The second one is what?
Aqua.
Alcohol. Right? Is an alcohol. So if these two react together, what will happen? I'll draw a structure for you. R. So look at R C O O H is coming together to react with something that is R O H. So what happened is this R that I circle will come to replace this H. Can you see?
Yes.
So the R comes to replace the H. I'll give you more color to that. So this H will come to this side, and the R here will come to this side, such that what we have will be R C O O, because nothing happened to this one, Abby. Then we have O.
Yes.
What do I have here now?
R.
R. So just assume that this R is R1. That means what I have here is what? R1 or R pi or R prime. Okay? Plus, what will be remaining? This H will be here. Then OH. What is this one? This is the same thing as H2O.
Ester.
Water. This is water. H2O is
Oh,
water.
sorry, guys. I thought you were talking about COO.
Yes. Yes, you're right. So this one that we have here is the what? Is the ester. Like you said. Circled in green is what? The one I circled in green is what?
Ester.
Yeah. And the second one, HOH, is what?
Water.
Is water. Okay, so this is how esters are formed. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So now you can know the difference between ester and carboxylic acid. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, going back to the notes. Now, that our R1 and R2, sorry, the R number in ester and the R pi can be anything. Can be anything, a K, can be butane. So they can be the same thing and they can be different thing. They can be the same thing and they can be what? They can be different thing. Okay. So for example, if you look at your screen on what I am showing, what I just highlight here, can you call it for me? CH3, COO, CH2, CH5.
Yeah.
Okay, C2H5. You see? So, how we name this ester? How you name ester? How you name ester? How you name ester is like you divide them into two. You divide the ester into two. The one that are before the O, okay, you identify them. The one that are after the O, you identify them. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
So if you remember, I go back a little bit. Look at our ethanoic acid here. Ethanoic acid. You know, ethanoic acid is CH3COOH.
Yes, sir.
So it is still an ethanol something. But now the H here has been replaced by what? By another thing. What is it replaced with? CH2 abi sorry C2H5. Sorry about that. It is replaced by what? C2H5. But it is still the same beginning, abi? CH3COO, abi? So how do you name an ethanoic an ester? Is that instead of ethanoic acid as the name, it will change to ethanoate. Ethanoate. This OIC will be OATE, or you can say the IC, the ethanoic, the IC that I have at the back will change to what? Noate. Do you get? That is for the beginning part. So this part that is the same thing with the ethanoic acid will change to ethanoate. Then after you change that to ethanoate, what is remaining here is an ethyl because it is C2H5. What is remaining here is an ethyl. It is C2H5. So this C2H5 is what? An ethyl. That means the name of the compound is going to be ethyl, which is ethyl here, ethanoate. Ethanoate. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Sir, but that 2O, does it stand for oxygen or what does it stand for?
It's oxygen. It's oxygen.
Why can we not just like combine to make O2 or something like that?
Yes, we can write it to make O2. Do you get? We can. The reason why we don't write it in the beginner level, is because of this. The structure that you see here. You see the structure?
Yes.
The structure is O double bond, then O single bond. So in order to just clarify that to students at the beginning, that's why we used to write it like that. Do you get? In advanced cases, it can be written as O2. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
So let me test if you know how to name this thing now. Look at this one, methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Can you write? Do you have a book with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write the formula for methanoic acid. I will also go and share my window, the board with you. So I'll write what I want to ask you. So this is what we have. Now I'm changing it to this. I want to name these things. Can you see the things I'm writing?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what? The first
This
one is
one
what?
is intake. Yes, intake. I think.
What?
Methane.
Methane. The first one.
Yes.
The first one, no, is what functional group are you seeing there? By the way, those things I'm telling you, ester, carboxylic acid, they are called functional group. Are you aware?
No, sir.
Okay, so they are called functional group. You have not been introduced to organic chemistry.
Um, I don't think so, sir. I thought organic chemistry was like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen.
Yeah, it has something to do with like that, but I mean, no, don't worry. Uh, but they are called functional group, right? So how you identify them is to identify which functional group is there. So you should, from what we have been discussing now, this guy is here. You can see it. Abi,
Mm.
what functional group is this?
This is carbon, carbon, carboxylic acid or something like that. I
Carboxylic
don't know how to
acid.
pronounce it.
Yes, carboxylic acid.
Carboxylic acid.
You are correct. Okay. That means if you want to call the name of this thing, it must end with noic acid. Do you get? So this one now has just one C. It will be what? Metanoic acid.
Mm.
It's actually already in the example. I just wrote it out. That's why I said you should write. This is metanoic acid. So if it is a carboxylic acids are named as noic acid. So if it is 1C, it will be metanoic acid. If within the structure you see 2C, it will be ethanoic acid.
Yes, sir.
If it is 3C, it will be propanoic acid. If it is 4C, it will be butanoic acid. Is that okay? That's metanoic acid. Then come to the next one, which I have HCOOCH3. So in this case, you cannot make the mistake of just saying there are 2C here. Shebi, you can't just count 2C and now say it is what? Ethanoic. No. You have to count the C before the OO, the C after the OO. Is that okay?
Yes.
Can you hear me? Is that okay?
Sir.
Okay. So now, with this, I'm seeing one C before the OO. What I will, to name it, my suspect is what? If there is one C before the OO, this will be a metanoate. I need to clean. I'm not sure this is the way this thing is supposed to work. Maybe I don't get this setting or something. It's always giving me issue when I'm trying to write. Okay. So the first thing how to name is that I'll firstly try to identify this part of the board. This part of the board is 1C. So if I count this and it is just 1C, I'll firstly write metanoate. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Metanoate. That is because this part is just 1C. This part too is 1C and it is this CH3 is called methyl. So that means the name of my compound will be, so I'll write methyl in front. It will be methyl metanoate. Do you get?
Yes, sir.
Don't mind all my writing issue. So if I look at this side too, this is also C. If I count the first one, I'm counting just 1C. Abi, what do I
Yes,
have?
sir. Metanoate.
Metanoate. Are you following what we are doing? Do you understand? Daniel, do you understand?
I'm following, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay. Then I will come to this side. This side, what do I have?
Two. Two carbon.
2
Or two
carbon
C.
H5. So this will be what?
Ethyl.
Ethyl. Thank you. This will be ethyl. This will be ethyl metanoate. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then if I come to the third one, oh yeah, name the third one yourself.
The third one is ethyl metanoate. Abi, sorry. Um, Abi, yeah, no.
Where will you start
Methyl
from?
methyl ethanoate.
Methyl ethanoate. That's correct. Methyl. Why methyl? Because
It has it has one after the 00.
it has one after. So then in the beginning it has two. Abi, so it's ethanoate and then methyl.
Methyl.